Hey guys, welcome back to another muscle car video here with us today. I am Caleb. What we got for you today is a Ididit steering column. We got the black powder coated version, and we're going to put it in our 67 build that we've been showing you all a little bit of, and hopefully show y'all how to properly install one. The Ididit steering columns, we've been selling them since day one. They're a great product. The steering columns come with a steering column adapter for your original wiring harness. They come with levers and all that for your turn signals, and then the steering horn contact. This steering column is usually a plug and play, but where we're doing a fresh build, we got all new hardware here to properly install it.
Alright, ladies and gents, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your rag joint coupler, put that on the column. You're going to do this outside the car, makes it a whole lot easier than doing it inside the car. Once you've got that on there snug, where the grooves fit right, you're going to put that tightening bolt into the side and crank her down a bit so it stays put while you're doing this. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do is to put that rag joint on the gearbox. You're going to do the same thing, line up those teeth, smash it in, tighten it down with the bolt on the side, make sure it's not going anywhere, and then we can work on pushing the column through the firewall and mating up the coupler to the rag joint itself. Alright, the next thing that you're going to want to do is put that column bracket for the underdash onto the column itself. It's going to take a couple bolts. As you can see here, ours did not fit perfectly, which happens a lot of the times with a bunch of aftermarket parts meshed together. Just elongate some of those holes, give it a little love, it works just fine. Put that in, and that's going to hold the column up while you're working with it on the rag joint gearbox side. Alright, now here is the moment of truth. What you're going to want to do is double check, make sure that you got that gasket and firewall plate on the column before you put it on. It's going to be a hell of a lot harder afterwards. Slide the gasket and plate on, push the column through the firewall. You're going to want to rough attach it to that rag joint. Just finger tight the bolts on the underdash bracket up to the dash. It's going to hold it in place while you're working with it and getting it just perfect. Once you've got the column pushed into the rag joint exactly how you want, go ahead and crank it down so they stay together and tighten the dash bracket to the dash. Once everything's solid and in place, then you can put the plate onto the gasket, onto the firewall, and make sure everything there is jiving pretty and perfect.
Alright guys, as you can see, thanks to Austin and Dean over here, we finally got the column installed into the car. It's looking really nice. You know, it took a little bit of work and stuff to get it in, as you know anything does, but it looks great, and I think they did a fantastic job. And you guys, thanks to Ididit once again for helping us get the column and allowing us to install their great product. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always stop by our pages online, Camaro, Firebird, and Muscle Car Central for all your car part needs.